Hello, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's been a while since after the surgery, my finger can't move very well. About the ball, I still didn't start to complete it yet, but the other real great Unicorn series, you can see Unicorn number the number 2, the Banshee. This is the long version. I don't know will it give you a normal Banshee, but there is a special Unicorn model outside there with a normal Unicorn with a special shield. Bandai know how to take your money. So, but anyway, today we'll just open this box up. So and by the way, the box, it is the same that they have the 2 types of box art. This is the special one, they said. You can see a SP right here, but the inside is totally the same. So it won't be you won't take any extra stuff from the box. Just the box art will be different. So anyway, just take a look at the bottom first. No, not bottom, from the sides. Still the same box art from the normal Unicorn, but you can see he got the new grenade launcher or multiple purpose launcher. I don't know what it is. And the shoes are different, and the backpack are different from the normal Unicorn. And this is still the same city gold color. That's Bandai really like to use, but I still don't know why they like this type of gold color. Well, I think it is so bad, so I maybe just paint it with the handbrush. Anyway, and the other side you can see there is a special effects part for the launcher, and other things seems like the same. I will, but this guy I will wait for the water slide decal to finish it, so just stay tuned on the channel. Anyway, just this time I will start from the bottom, but before that, let's see. This guy Kasachia, this repair version, and that's just the Banshee Norn, and other from the HGUC. You can see what the H3 version and the Banshee Norn, but I don't know why they don't give you the special version of the Unicorn, because the special version they should give you a pick for it. And nothing special for the other side. Okay, take away the menu. Let's look at the parts. This is the A1. Well, this you can see this made by ABS, and what's this? D1. This D1. But I don't know, but this some weird orangey color. Maybe I need to paint some silver inside it. But anyway, this is the weapon pack. I think this K1K. You can see the pilot right there, and the P. You can see right here is only set the armor DE. So I believe this the parts also include for the Unicorn. I mean the special version of the Unicorn, and you can see L2 are right there. This for the Banshee, only the multi-purpose launcher. Another small bag, and it is the armor DE. You can see right here. this 1M and 1J. Yeah, this is the city gold color for the normal use of the Bandai. But anyway, yeah, you can see right here this other one. I don't know what it is for. It said Banshee. Maybe some other parts. And then the 1E and 1I, and yeah, the 1I seems like look the same as the Unicorn one, and this the normal beam saber reverse part. Nothing special. I think that is the old one now. And yeah, this is the old one now too. You can see Unicorn Gundam right here. This one G. And yeah, this is the armor DE parts for the shield, and this one O, and on the side is the one F. Yeah, and one F is the other outer armor part. And this is one C. Yeah, it is the same as the Unicorn. And N1. And you can see the beam effects part right here. Yeah, it's just plugged into the beam rifle. And yeah, you can see this 1H, the inner frame, and some outer armor, the feet, and very large. Yeah, the usual. Well, that's I mean it is used red. I didn't notice he has the red eyes until now. Sorry. Yeah, but it is a red one, and some little refreshing metal sticker right here, and the 1B, same as the Unicorn. You can see right here, still using the Unicorn name. Yeah, I think that is, but they give you a Gundam Tri-H card. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I believe this is the gaming card for you to play in the arcade, but yeah, I didn't see it in Hong Kong, but so just for the, yeah, this is the one, the game machine. Someone said there is a machine in the model shop, but I didn't see it by person. Maybe I need to check it out. Okay, now it's the time for the menu. Okay, just like the usual menu. And yeah, this time I don't need to stick the metal, the shiny sticker on the middle parts, because it is just one color, so it is much nicer. And see right here, yeah, many sticker as usual. Yeah, well, but yeah, you know, it is real gray. So anyway, real gray is especially for the north and north of sticker. So I will, yeah, as I said, I will wait for the water slide came out, then do the kit. And this time this was the beast of possibility. This is the black lion. Yeah, you can see it seems the progress is the same. First with the leg, still the leg with 3 pages, and the waist. Then assembly both of the leg to the waist. Then assembly the chest. Yeah, it is the same that you need to put the arms frame inside the chest first. And yeah, about this, someone said the arms are really easy to broken, but I don't have this problem. I don't know why they broke it. Maybe they didn't just move it for a few times first. Yeah, it is still the same until now. Yeah, all the parts are the same. Yeah, this is the new weapon parts. The they don't give you English translation. It's some kind of weird because in model days Bandai just give you lots of the, yeah, you can see right here the translation all around the menu, but they don't give you this. So yeah, I don't know why they are not doing this. And the head, yeah, you just the same head. The design of the head is a little bit different, but you can see it's still using the same principle for the, yeah, I mean the same design. Then the main difference for the two is the backpack. You can see if for the Unicorn you can just assemble until this and then plug in the two beam saber and you can see there is a armor XC. I don't know what is mean by XC, but anyway. Oh, they plug in the beam saber handle right there. And the weapon, the beam magam. Oh, this not called a multi-purpose launcher. It is called revolving launcher. Yeah, the shield are pretty much the same until here. You can see the armor DE just stick it on the shield, yeah, and then yeah you can just put it on the back. It says it is the DE means defense extension, but XC is a signal connector. I don't know what it is for. For the new type pilot, but I don't know what it's for anyway. Oh, by the way, the beam effects part is not only for the revolving launcher, but also you can handheld the beam effects part with the pull out the plug right here. Yeah, it's a kind of a special design of it, and yeah, you can't just put it on the back of the arm. You need to remove this first, and yeah, you can plug it at the back of the waist. This is great. About the destroy mode, yeah, there's the transformation. Yeah, pretty much the same as the Unicorn, but a little bit different right here. You need to flip out the fin out of it, and also the shield you need to extend it, or the fin. Okay, that is okay. I will start doing the ball first, and yeah, this guy I need to wait for the water slide decal. I believe this is still the same thing, pretty much the same stuff for the kit anyway, but because it is the just a sister of the Unicorn, yeah, you know in the this still the Unicorn series, so yeah, just wait for the water slide decal for this. And yeah, about my finger, yeah, it can move, but I don't know what is this because of the surgery or what, stitching or removed, but I can't feel anything for my ponty. Yeah, it's a little bit weird, but yeah, let the doctor take care of it. I can't do anything with myself, so yeah, anyway. The next kit will start really soon, because just stay tuned. Thank you for watching this boring video. I will upload another video very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.